What if I told you that the next big AI revolution wasn't announced on a fancy stage by a CEO in a leather jacket, but was quietly leaked in a few lines of code on GitHub? A secret so big it could completely upend the AI industry as we know it. Well, that's exactly what just happened. And today we're diving deep into DeepSeek's mysterious Model 1, the AI that has OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic looking over their shoulders. Stick around because what you're about to hear will change your perspective on the future of AI. Welcome back to the AI Guide, your home for navigating the incredible and sometimes chaotic world of artificial intelligence. In the last 48 hours, the AI community has been buzzing about a single company, DeepSeek. You might remember them as the silent giant that caused a nearly $600 billion shockwave on the stock market with their last major release. Well, it looks like they're about to make a very loud noise once again. In this video, we're going to break down exactly what this new AI is, why DeepSeek is building it, and how its revolutionary technology actually works. And most importantly, what it means for the fierce competition in the AI space and for you. So what is this mystery model? It's codenamed Model 1, and it was discovered by developers combing through DeepSeek's public GitHub repository. This wasn't a press release, it was an accidental leak. The identifier Model 1 appeared 28 times across 114 recently changed files, right alongside their current model v3.2. This tells us one critical thing. This is not a minor update. It's a completely new architecture, a ground-up redesign. The community is buzzing that this is the framework for the highly anticipated DeepSeek v4. To understand why this is such a big deal, you have to understand DeepSeek's philosophy. While Western companies have been focused on a brute force approach, using massive amounts of data and expensive computing power, DeepSeek has focused on efficiency. Their last major model, DeepSeek R1, was estimated to be 95% cheaper to run than its competitors and required only a fraction of the computing power. It was so efficient, it was dubbed a Sputnik moment for AI, proving that algorithmic innovation could challenge raw power. DeepSeek is doing this to double down on that strategy. They're building a smarter, not just bigger AI, and they aim to create a model that is not only powerful but also accessible, one that can run on consumer-grade hardware, a radical departure from the data center-only models from their rivals. This isn't just about building a better AI, it's about changing who gets to use it. And speaking of changing the game, if you're getting value from this breakdown, do me a quick favor and hit that like button, subscribe to the AI Guide, and share this video with someone who needs to know what's coming. And if you want to support the channel directly, check out our Patreon. Your support allows me to keep bringing you the latest AI news and analysis. Now let's get into the really cool part, how this thing works. This is where it gets exciting. The leaked code points to 3 game-changing innovations. First, n-gram conditional memory. Imagine an AI that doesn't have to reread the entire internet every time you ask it a question. That's the core idea behind n-gram. It's a biologically inspired memory system that allows the AI to store and recall key facts and relationships, making it incredibly fast and efficient, especially when working with massive code bases or documents. Second, DeepSeek's sparse attention, or DSA. This is the key to handling huge amounts of information. DSA allows the model to process context windows of over 1 million tokens. That's the equivalent of an entire novel or a large software project, all while using about 50% less computing power. It intelligently focuses on the most relevant parts of the data instead of treating everything equally. And third, manifold constrained hyperconnections, or MHC. This one is a bit more technical, but it's a fundamental redesign of how information flows through the AI. It allows for a much more efficient learning process, making the model better at understanding complex logic, which is crucial for high-level coding and reasoning. The implications for the AI industry are massive. DeepSeek isn't just catching up, they are charting a different path. While other companies are building bigger and more expensive models that are locked behind APIs, DeepSeek is preparing to release an open-weight model that can run on a high-end gaming PC. This is a direct challenge to the business models of OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google, and sounds like it'll be much cheaper to use. This creates a two-tiered market: the closed proprietary models that are expensive but easy to use, and the powerful open source models that offer more control, privacy, and cost effectiveness for those willing to run them. For companies in sensitive sectors like finance or healthcare, the ability to run a state-of-the-art AI on premises without sending proprietary data to a third party is a complete game changer. And I can tell you that is 100% true because, for example, the company I work for now is an IP-driven company. So we do not use public models except in limited ways, but with this, we could use it for anything. So what does this all mean for you? If you're a developer, get ready for a new generation of coding assistants that can understand your entire project, fix bugs across multiple files, and even help you design complex systems. And because it's designed to run locally, you can do it all with complete privacy. But even if you're not a coder, this matters. The rise of powerful, efficient, and open source AI accelerates everything. It means more innovation as more people have access to top-tier AI. It means more competition, which drives down prices and increases quality. And it means that the future of AI won't be controlled by just a handful of companies in Silicon Valley. It's a democratization of power, and it's happening right now. DeepSeek's Model 1 leak is more than just a glimpse at a new piece of tech. It's a preview of a fundamental shift in the AI landscape. The era of brute force is being challenged by an era of efficiency. The future of AI is not just about who has the biggest model, but who has the smartest and most accessible one. And DeepSeek is making a very strong case that it could be them. What do you think about this new development? Would you try it out so that you can use it on your own computer? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Also, please support us on Patreon. Your small dollar monthly contributions make a huge difference, whether it's $1, $2, or $5 a month. It really helps. Thanks for dropping in. I'll see you next time. Take care.